Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of join-in server on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store and you can update your app of Gemini. You will find here update as you see. So please don't forget to support us by